Traditions, beliefs, and language are all things that are ordinarily taught from one generation to the next. Though some Lethbridge College students struggle with their customs as a result of past estrangement and assimilation into new cultures.
You'll find a lot of First Nations don't have a lot of that knowledge, or if they do have it, they're not comfortable to be communicating in the way their parents or their grandparents have.
Blood says there's a gap in knowledge and that they must focus on teaching the generation outside of residential schools.
My mom and my stepdad were both like Catholic and stuff like that. But my grandparents were always on the spiritual side. My grandparents didn't really speak it too much around me. And so I didn't actually grow up learning it until like probably 10 years ago. And now I'm still like really rocky.
The college hosts cultural events in an effort to give students a connection to their past and celebrate the relationship between Indigenous and non-Indigenous people. Most recently, Lethbridge College has been awarded a Blackfoot name to further demonstrate the effort both parties are putting into create a healthy relationship. The college offers an Indigenous cultural support program where people can talk to elders, spiritual advisors, leaders, and role models. For E! News, I'm December Burgess.